see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Naririnig nyo na yung alarm. Alarm yun ni Zach. Na maliligo na siya. Alam niyo yung baunan nila ni Holly. Sabi niya, simple lang ma'am. Simple lang daw. So, gawan ko siya ng ham and cheese sandwich. Ang ganda ng gypsy ham. Nakikita niyo yung pepper. Dito ko ilalagay. Chili, Oreo, and pretzels. You better eat this, Zachary. Do you want me to put this in a Ziploc? So you have time to eat this one.
I'll eat on the box. Why not? I don't have one.
Huh?
I don't have the gosh job.
Ready? I'm gonna get ready to Zachary. So ito na yung water bottle ni Zach. Ako mag-ready na rin ako. Si Oli ready na. Dito na si John. Nag-feed siya ng horse ang aga. Tapos, nilik daw yung, habang kinukuha niya raw yung bucket ng water, yung horse, nilik daw yung buong neck niya. Okay, Zach. Steady horse. We're going now?
Oh, yeah.
Not yet? Okay. Hindi pa ako tapos.
Yeah, 27:30.
That's right. So, I still have time to do my skincare. Hindi pa ako pag-skincare. Ito na pala kami guys. Nakapark na kami kung saan siya magpapadentist. And time 8:14, 8:30 yung kanyang appointment. And dito na pala siya nakaupo sa harap. Kasi sabi ng daddy, pwede na daw siya dyan. Kasi matangkad naman siya. Okay na yung seatbelt. Ang ganda mag-drive pag ganito. Wala pa mang masyadong cars. You wanna go in?
Yeah.
Okay. Excited siya. Siya na talaga yung excited magpa-dentist. Ay, excited. Ayun, ngiti siya. Ang iba si kuya. Oh my God. TJ. Kung hindi sasakit ang ipin nun.
Is this the card?
Ayan. Give me that. Ito yung private private
Medibank.
Medibank namin. I have the... Kasi akala ko, itinanggal ko.
You
Hindi.
already have one?
No, it's not here. I remove it. No, yeah, I do. Here. Nandito pala yung akin, oh.
That must be a backup.
Ito yung, kay Jan, halatang ano.
That's why it's so dirty.
Your dad is tsaka. Yung akin, ang linis-linis.
Yeah,
So,
use yours.
yeah, I'm gonna use mine.
I'll put that up here.
And that's daddy. Okay, let's go.
Oh, wow. Alright, let's go. Bye-bye. Yep. Thank you.
And mag-order ako nito. Pang-mount ko dyan sa car. Kasi tingnan nyo, wala na to. Lustrad na. Sa Amazon ako mag-order. Habang nasa ano siya, dentista niya. Mag-ano ako, mag-tain ako sa Amazon kung makakita ako.
Now, oh, it's so nice. So nice.
What's that? Hala, ingay ng ano niya. Your date of birth? 21st of September. Alright. Good dyan. Siya lang. Tapos Pumasok na siya. Thank you.
Thank you. So we're just in this next one here.
Alright.
Morning.
Morning.
Hello. Take a seat for me, Holly. Get the big chair in the middle. Pretty much, yeah.
At the back of my teeth on these two sides, it like every time I eat it hurts.
Okay. Because it'll come back up at you. You lean right over.
Yeah, because you have numb.
You're a bit numb, so your face doesn't know what to do. Good
Yeah.
job.
See, you're happy again. See, that's the worst part of it. After, right?
This feels like a bit of a buzz, doesn't it?
Tapos na pala siya, guys. Time is 9:35. So, 1 hour siya dito. And, insert ko, umiyak siya. Kasi in-injectionan. Yung may butas is yung dalawa niyang baby teeth. Yung molars. Yung isa, medyo malaki compare doon sa isa. Pero hindi naman ganun kalaki nga eh. Pero kinumpare lang, mas malaki yung nasa left niya. So, pinastahan yun. And, yeah. Punta pala ako saglit din muna sa Coast. Kasi gusto kong i-recreate yung Jamaican patties. Meron lang akong kunin. Alam ko meron sila yung parang, hindi siya jalapeno. Pero masarap talaga yun na, chili. Yung bilog lang siyang maliit. May, may kakaiba siyang lasang binibigay. So, bibili ako nun. Kasi gusto ko rin spicy. And, masarap yung pagka-spicy nun. Mabango na hindi may, basta may iba siyang lasa. So, gusto ko yun. Try ko lang naman. So, try pa lang naman. Kasi nga, na-miss ko yung Jamaican patty sa Pinas. Oh, good. Insert ko talaga. Umiyak siya. Naawa ko. Tapos pumunta ako. Kasi yung iyak niya para siyang bibiyakin na. Basta insert ko na lang. Yeah, right now, you feel better? Medyo siya, careful lang siya sa pag-chew kasi nga yung kanyang wow, you can't talk. Kanina super excited siya, nakangiti pa siya. Tapos doon okay pa naman siya until na in-injection na siya. Nung una, okay. Hindi niya pa nararamdaman. Feels weird. Yeah, it's numb. Pa siya, okay pa siya. Nung natusok na, okay pa siya. Hindi pa siya. Siguro nung na yung parang yung deep na yung paglagay, doon na siya umiyak. As in, umiyak siya. Tapos yung pangalawa, syempre alam niya na, naiyak na siya. Okay, let's go to Coles. Wala akong mahanap na gusto kong din gumawa ng adobo. Yung chicken feet, wala. Hopefully, meron ngayon.
Well done.
It's alright, baby.
Hands.
It's alright.
Oh no, good job. Can you keep wiggling your fingers?
It's alright. Punta muna pala kayo dito sa Drake's kasi malapit lang to sa dentista ni Holly. Tingnan ako kung meron silang chicken feet. Minsan kasi meron sila, nakakita ako iba-ibang parts ng manok. So ngayon, tingnan natin kung meron. Last time kasi wala. Parang gusto ko, gawin ko nga yung ice cream. Yung ice candy. Mas marami yung grapes strawberries nila, pero hindi maganda. Kahapon, wala yung cabbage na gusto ko. Hindi cabbage, yung Baguio cabbage na tinatawag sa atin. Baka meron dito yung yung chili na gusto ko. Hindi ito, yung isa, yung bilog na maliit. Mas maliit pa dyan. Bilog lang siya. Tingin na ako dito kung meron. Sa Coles, alam ko meron. Sana meron. Wala. Yung time ko nawala na. Ang ganda sana ng time ko doon. Nawala. Wala sila yung Baguio cabbage. Meron ako nito. Yung isa, yung mahaba. Wala, baba. They don't have that chili. No, they don't. Okay. chicken feet. Ah, parang mayroon. I think they do. Oh, we will have to. I'm gonna wait na lang. Ah, okay. Come on, Baba. Parang meron. Sana meron.
Or chicken fries at Marvin.
Ah, they don't.
I'm sure at Marvin. Keyword, but they haven't come in yet.
Ah, they don't still. Ah, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, just count them in at Marvin.
All right.
That's unfortunately sorry.
Yeah, it's all right. I'm just gonna keep coming. Thank you. Thank you. Wala. Nag-order daw sila. Pero wala pa. May order sila. Pero wala pa. Wala tayo nakuha sa Drake's. Dito tayo sa Coles. Sana meron sila. Ha? Just yet. Wala pang deliver sila, oh. Ayun. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Can you get me ano? Etong napa. Okay. Wombok. Wombok ang tawag. Wombok. So big, no? Wait lang.
Is it cut?
Okay? Big?
How do I put it in the bag? This one.
Put in the bag. Ah, the chili. The one I want. Yun ang pinunta natin dito. Ah,
Thank you.
okay. Where's all the chili?
Wala.
Sana nandito. Ayan. Mayroon sila. Kaso wala sila yung iba-ibang kulay. May iba-ibang kulay ito eh. Ito, habanero, chilies. Ito yung hinahanap ko. Wala sila yung ito. Ay. Yeah. Ayan, may orange. Thank you. Wala silang coriander na malaki. Yung ano ba? And I need basil too. Basil. We need this. This is mint. Mint, not mint. Walang basil. This is parsley. Wala. Coriander. Yung coriander. Okay.
It's
Cold. Ah, lucky we have the chili, the habanero. I love habanero. I love the habanero. Ano pa ba? I think that's it. Chicken. I'm gonna get chicken para may chicken sandwich kayo for school. Huh? Ah, yeah. Okay. Come on. That's it. Chicken feet. Here, wait, Baba. Let's see if they have chicken feet. This one. Other aisle. Wala. Oh, bakit walang mga paa ng manok? Ang daming manok na ibang parts. Pero wala sila. Yung walang paa ng manok. May lieg. Pero walang paa. May balon-balunan. Malamig. Okay, let's go. Now you have to find the products, Baba. That one. Yep, that one. One. Wait for assistant. Excuse me. She needs help.
What's wrong, Mom?
Pay. And then put that in your bag now. No, I don't have. Right, okay. It's my turn. Okay, done here. Pero hindi namin nakuha lahat ng gusto kong
Ice
kunin.
cream.
Ah, ice cream daw. Mag-ice cream siya. Okay.
We're going to the beach.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Watch out. So, bilang ko siya ng ice cream kahit hindi siya nagpabunot. Yeah, coming, Baba. Okay, Bad Knocks for ice cream. Pink?
No, I think.
What? One bubble gum? Ako, what I'm gonna get? Yung ice cream namin. Baba, cheers. Bubble gum sa kanya, sa akin. Rum and raisin. Hindi rin masa, hoy baby! Why you did that?
I cannot hold it.
Yung akin, yung rum and raisins, hindi ko bet. Hindi siya masarap. Okay lang.
This is so good.
Nagkamali tayo ng pinili. Sa daming flavors. Kasi laging in-order ko mango, banana. Yours is better.
Opo, it is. That
Punta ako dun sa ano,
It is.
binibila ng mga herbs. Andyan lang. Tingnan ko kung meron silang time. Ang lagu-lagu na sana ng time ko. Si John. Ang mga bata, hindi nila diniligan. Okay, punta tayo dun. So, dito tayo sa Gardinarium. Ano ba sila? Ah, ito time. Ayan. Kuha tayong time. May basil. Hmm? Capsicum. Ang chili, oh. Super hot daw. Kuha tayo nito.
So this hasn't had a water today, so it needs a water when you
Every
go
day? Okay. Hopefully, kalamansi
home.
yung
Are you going home now?
yeah.
Yeah. Just give it
A
some
good-
water when you get home.
Okay.
Tell them I'm good.
Ayan. So, sana ito talaga yung kalamansi. It smells good, the flower. Bumabulaklak na siya. You're done? Look at your face. Maybe, sorry. We're just gonna wipe.
So 55.
Bahay na kami. And si Kuya, naglaba daw siya. Thanks, Kuya. Ayan yung didiligan natin. And pupunta kayo ng beach. Si Hall gusto mag-swimming. Nandun si daddy niya. Kasi yung horse, si Belle, pupunta ulit sa beach. So, eto, ayan. Kung nakita nyo lang to nung una, as in brown na siya. Natanggal ko na yung time Nandyan yung time dati. But ayan, may bago na tayo. Diligan ko lang to. Ayan yung chili, maanghang daw. Nakalagay, super hot. Sana talaga, ito yung kalamansi. Gardinary. Ano ba yan? Yun yung binilhan natin, Gardinary. Ano sa pangalan nga ulit ito? Calamondin. Ay, sorry. Okay. Done. Kumusta na dun? Are you done, Holly? Yeah, get your towel. Okay. Oh, it's nice here. Kasi may hangin. Hindi ganun kainit. Ano nangyari sa hat ko? At na-deform. Yeah, wait. My hat. Oh. Yeah, put sunscreen. Mayroon yung mga horse. Go, Baba!
How are we, Brent?
Good, how are you, mate?
Not too bad, mate.
Seen you for a fair while. Been up to?
Nah, my all, mate.
널 사랑한 아빠 이제는 더 이상 숨길 수 없잖아.
This is her.
Yeah,
Again, just
that's
tattooed. This
Belle.
is as big as the rest. Yeah, right.
Hi, Belle.
Hi, Brett. Pat.
That's your daddy.
Go through them sales.
I hope he's not gonna kick me.
아껴줄 거야 안아줄 거야 We're meant to be, you can't deny it. 더 다가갈 거야 사랑해줄 거야 You're my sunshine after rain 네가 좋아 깊이 하늘을 봐더 보이는 하늘과 Silver lining in the clouds 바람결에 흔들리는 너의
The others boys, the others boys.
작은 점 하나같이 사랑해주지
Yeah, that's Belle.
Oh, there's another two there.
The water.
Oh, this one has break.
숨길 수 없잖아 매일 더 아껴줄 거야 안아줄 거야 We're meant to be, you can't deny it. 더 다가갈 거야 사랑해줄 거야 You're my sunshine after rain 네가 좋아
Yeah, it's all buffed down. Oh, yeah. Right now. Yeah. They might improve, you might jump out of there. It's not a bad time.
Wow, Belle. Yung apat, ayan, natapos siya mag-swimming. Si Belle, at andun pa si Belle sa, sasabihin ko sana sa pool. Sa ocean, andun si Belle, oh.
매일 더 아껴줄 거야 안아줄
How are we, Brent?
거야
Not too bad, mate.
We're meant to be, you can't deny. 매일 더 다가갈 거야 사랑해줄 거야 You're my sunshine after rain 네가 좋아
The one with the green strap.
Soft light falls
Mama,
in quiet sand.
that one.
You almost leaned in. Shadows move, skin to skin. Something unspoken. Will you let me in? You and I will always have that one night. Come morning light, we'll always have that sunrise. We'll always have that sunrise. Daybreak, shadows fade. You
Okay, tapos na. Bye, Holly! Si Holly na doon na sa daddy niya. Uwi na rin ako kasi magpe-prepare pa ako ng dinner nila. Kasi alis ulit ako. Kami ni Holly, may dance siya tonight. 4 o'clock, 4 to 5. Kailangan maluto ko na yung dinner. Okay, gawa na ako ng sauce. Wala pala akong basil. Ihabol ko na lang mamaya yung basil. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko ay lagyan ko lang siyang salt and pepper. So, ito yung gagawin kong meatball. So, meron akong egg. Ito, tinapay na binabad ko sa gatas. Tapos, garlic. And wala akong parmesan cheese. So, ang nilagay ko ay ito yung creme fraiche. Ayan. Then, salt and pepper. Yun lang. Tapos, himasin and bubula-bulahin natin. Yung oras is 3 o'clock na. 3:30 alis na kami. So, papakulang ko lang siyang saglit. Tapos, ituloy ko na lang mamaya. Kasi yung dance ni Holly is 4 to 5. Kaya nilakyan ko na rin para mabilis. Ayan yung sauce. Ida-drop ko lang siya dyan. Tapos tatakpan ko mamaya. At least mga 30 minutes man lang. Napakuluan ko siya. Tapos ihabol ko na lang yung basil mamaya. Siguro, mamaya ko lang ito pakuluan. Ay. Kulo. In 15 minutes, alis na kami ni Holly. Check ko lang to. Then, itutuloy ko siya mamaya. Yeah. Ano ko lang yung ilalim. Ay, ayan. Hindi ko na siya frinay. Diniretso ko na siya dito para mabilis. Then, mamaya, lagyan ko siya ng basil. Yan na. And eto, iinitin ko. Ito yung tira na sitaw. Tapos, ayan yung aking shiitake rice. Initin ko siya bago kami umalis. Baba! Have to get ready. Sarap ng, ano? Ano tawag na? Itong sitaw. We're going. Just gonna finish this and we're going. Pinatay ko na muna yung niluluto ko. Okay. Ito na kami sa mount. Ang init. Yeah. We need that wind. And later, we're gonna buy you new shoes. Kailangan ko siya ng bago. Bagong ballet shoes kasi medyo masikip na raw. I-order pa yun eh. Wala kayo guys. Oh, so you just ate your fruits.
Yeah, I had a headache all day. That was boring, joking.
So what did you do?
What's for tea?
This one. Meatballs. Oh!
Hey, nah. I don't even care.
Ayan, ito yung basil na binili ko sa binili ko sa, Woolies. Malapit lang kasi din yung dance ni Holly. And, bumili na rin ako ng, hinahanap ko tong ginger powder. Ayan, nakakuha tayo sa Woolies. Tamlay talaga yung aking kamay. And, eto na yung Parmesan cheese. Pero hindi na natin kailangan. Or maybe. Alright. Hugasan ko lang yung basil. And, itry kong itanim to. Ayan. May, may ugat. Tanggalin ko lahat. Ilalagay ko to lahat. Or, we'll see. Ayan, lahat. Uy, wag kang tatalsik sa aking gamit. Tapos lagyan ko siya ng Parmesan cheese kasi meron na tayo. Ay, ang ganda. I love the color. Si Jan, ayaw niya ang amoy nito. Lumalayo kasi baka matauskan tayo. Malapit na ito. Looks so good. Hi. Hi, Flitch. Is that for your horse, son?
No, it's for you. That's
Ah,
chemical free.
wow,
Lettuce.
organic.
Come on, look out.
Yeah.
Look
Wow,
out, look.
yeah. Oh my God.
And these.
Hi.
I got organic lettuce from neighbor. Wow.
It has no chemicals.
Wait. Yes, thank you. And what's that one? What's what's that? Nectarine?
No, they're like not a blood pun. There's she's got a heap of nectarines.
Okay. Is that from your garden too?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's from my garden.
Thank you.
Well, that one's ready, but these ones here go off. They're like a blood plum.
Okay.
They're the orange ones.
The orange.
They
Okay.
go off.
Thank you.
We're just going to see if we can get some.
Yeah, apricot. Go. Yeah. Kami naman, bigyan namin sila ng apricot. Kasi ang dami namin yung apricot dito. Smell poo. Cow poo. Ayan, wait babe. Ayan na oh.
Here, try that.
Try that, Flitch.
Try that.
Sweet? Look, we got a lot.
Oh, there's some there.
Here, Han, there's a lot here.
Me up.
Here.
Look at that.
My God, look at this, Holly. Oh, we have plenty.
Got
Dad.
the container.
Yeah.
Yes, be careful, honey.
Look at that, mate. I'm trying.
Dad, pass me one.
This.
That's why we have to put that in the farm too, Han.
Dad, pass this.
It's it, that's right.
at your farm.
Oh, Zachary.
What's that?
Holly. Check it out. Hurry up.
What's that?
Spider.
I've got to get them ones.
Where's the spider?
Ang tamis nito.
Where?
Here. It's gone.
Come on.
It's gone.
There's more there, huh?
Yeah, how am I going to get them?
Zachary can.
You're right.
Holly, I'm scared spiders too.
Hoy, babe, my God. Hoy. Honey.
Dad, you want me? Oh, you should get up there.
Zachary should. Honey,
You should be able to get up now. Yeah, those are really good.
it's very sweet, no?
Where'd you put the seed?
These
Chuck on the ground. Where he swallowed it. No, it's here.
Yeah, just bring it here. Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, look at that one. That's like the one you can't get.
We got eggs too. Ayan.
Try one of them.
Let's get the ones that float down.
Thank you. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Good.
You got water.
Oh, I got cherry tomato.
them too.
He read. Thanks. Red.
There's one. Yeah,
Ay!
get that one. That was a good one. I can't.
Zachary can. You know what, Han? We should chop it up. Usually, Zachary can go up in this.
You should get a chainsaw and spin it all out.
Yeah.
Just going any branches that's got nothing on it, just cut it down.
That's
Snap
right.
it off. So good.
You know.
Oh, what's over here?
Here. Lucky the birds not eating
Leave
them.
the low one for your kids. Should leave your low one.
Is this the last time I can see you in a while? Is it the truth that you'll be living tonight? We should take a walk then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me.
Na pala ako dun sa kabila, kila Flitch. Ayan. Meron silang isang plastic, yung Coles plastic na pinaglalagyan ko ng fruits. Binigay din namin sa kanila kasi tingnan yung bigay sa amin na eggs and yung cherry tomatoes. And then iba pang fruits, ayan. And rosemary. Ay, we're good. My fresh eggs tayo, organic one. Luto na yung pasta. Ready na yun ipakain sa kanila. Diba ang saya mag-harvest? Last year, hindi siya nagbunga last year or the other year. Basta may year na hindi siya nagbunga. So ngayon ang dami. Ganun naman daw. Parang may taon na hindi talaga sila nagbibigay ng fruit. Try natin ito kay Jeremy Boy. Try this, ano? It's hot, huh?
Oh.
Hot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sak! Come on! Ano? Try this, soccer. Ay, ang sarap.
Hey, Zach.
G'day, John. How are we, big boy? What are you
Zach won't
guys?
like it.
Try. Wait, stay here.
Hungry, aren't you?
I have another one to try. So for Daddy, get a reward.
Okay, we got more
Hey, Zach.
eggs.
Try. Have one of them after tea, Zach.
Okay, we got more. Okay, we got more
Hey, Zach.
eggs.
Try. Have one of them after tea, Zach.
Yeah, yung galing kila
Yeah, just
Feliz.
put it all in mouth and eat around the seed. And
So good. I know. Ang sarap ng mga food.
And I'll have a mango shake tomorrow. Eh?
Ayan na yung dinner nila. Ayan kay Jan, kay Holly. Ayun. Welcome. Magmamadali na sila. Sabi ko, wait lang. I-vlog ko muna.
Pass me a fork.
Ay, kuya!
Hey!
She probably went back to sleep.
Holly, move your back.
Si Sak, gustong gusto.
Ready? I'll see.
So good?
So good. Let me try the meatball. So good.
Yeah. Actually, fina-fry ko yung, or ini-air fry, or ino-oven ko yung meatballs. This time hindi kasi nagmamadali ako. And,
It's better when you cook her.
yeah, it turns good. Very moist. Moist, no, Sak?
Yeah.
So, yung kay Johnny Boy. Babe, come on! No, it's not hot. Because the noodles is cold and then the sauce is hot. So,
Dad, you have dirt on this.
Yeah, Mum,
yeah. Guys, tapos na kumain. And ito yung natira sa niluto ko. Ano yan? Pasta and sauce with meatballs. Konti na lang yung meatballs. 3 na lang ata yung natira. And si Jan tsaka si Holly pumunta sa farm kasi ipifeed nila yung horse. Naiwan ni Jan yung salt. Kailangan niya yung salt para dun sa horse. And ito na yung eggs. Ito yung binigay ni Felicity. Tingnan nyo yung sizes niya. Ito yung pinakamalaki. And yung pinakamaliit, ito ata. Ang liit niya. Compare dito. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So, yan yung binigay niya kanina. So, time is alas 7 na. Mag-alas 7 na. So, end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night.
Time, some